here a month ago.
Yep.
And I interviewed you then.
Yeah, that's right.
And then 2 weeks ago, you decided to put this thing in the wall.
Yeah.
I guess you didn't decide. You were
I think it decided for me.
You were doing like a power wheelie. You came down and just cut
yeah,
the wall.
Cut straight into the wall.
And it pretty much took out the whole front end, yeah?
The whole front end, yeah. Intercooler, turbo kit, chassis in the front. It was a sad sight to see at that moment, but now we're back here.
And this is legit like 14 days after.
14 days. This is the 14th day after the accident.
And the car's here. It's in the morning. It's not late. It's like it's here on time, and it ran. It drove itself out of the trailer.
Yeah, I gotta thank Drew at AED Racing, big time. He worked long hours, 48 hours straight even. And then I also got to thank Mike Bola at Enterprise Motorsports. He put a couple people behind, pushed us in the front. He's a hardcore racer. He wanted to see us out here competing, you know, representing for the West Coast drag racing culture. So without those guys, it wouldn't have been possible. And I'm super stoked to be here. 1320's out here. Shout out to 1320. You guys are badass. And yeah, man, hopefully we can do some good things today.
I'd say it takes not just a team, it takes everybody to be on board for 14 days. It's like, all right, this dude wants to race in 14 days. It's like, all right, whatever. I can see a lot of shows being like, that's not going to happen. We got a lot of stuff to do, but everything's done and it looks perfect.
Everything is done, yeah, and it looks great. It does, I mean, they didn't miss a beat.
What is it? Remind us what the setup is on your car.
It's a built Coyote motor, built by RGR, and it's got a 76mm turbo on it.
Okay.
And it's behind the Glide with the 8.8.
How much power is it making? Right?
It makes about 1,500 horsepower.
Okay, damn.
Yeah.
And how big is the tire on it?
The tire is a 28-inch tire.
Well, man, it's great to talk to you. Great to see the car back together.
Yeah, man.
You're gonna take it for a few test hits?
Yeah, we're gonna make a test hit just now. They got it on the scales.
Gotcha.
All right,
man.
Get it all lined out and get
out there.
We'll
see you up there, man.
All right,
good
sounds
luck
good.
Today.
Thanks, guys.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it does the burnout. That was first hit.
Good hit, good hit. Yeah, it felt good. It went straight.
You just did a little, want to do like a little.
Yeah, I just did a little 300 because everything's brand new.
Gotcha.
So, but it felt really, really good.
It went straight. You didn't have any wheelie issues or nothing?
No wheelie issues, didn't go up. It felt like it should have, like it really should have.
Really?
So
that's impressive considering they just did the entire front end chassis.
The whole entire front end, yeah. And that's why we did that, to make sure it was good. We knew it was good, but we just wanted to make sure.
Make sure the math was
good. And yeah, exactly. And all added up and went straight and did what it was supposed to.
Awesome.
And it worked out good, real good. So we're excited. We're gonna turn it up a little bit here, and one more test hit, and then we'll hit that grudge race right before the shootout.
Gotcha.
Just kind of start the show.
Oh yeah, good luck, man.
Thank you, dude.
Yeah.
I got Hugo with the blue 0304 Cobra.
Oh, it's a Cobra guy, so obviously he's probably a friend of yours.
Yeah, he's a friend of mine, so we're gonna go at it. This is a back and forth thing. Here's Hugo right here. Come on, Hugo.
I got him last time and he took me out.
Oh, okay. So we'll see how it goes this time.
So now I got him again. Artie, turn that up.
Finals now?
On to the finals, guys.
And car's looks like it's been behaving very well today.
It's been behaving very well, especially for being, you know, running into the wall 14 days ago.
Yeah, not
so
bad.
it's doing its thing. Drew's doing his thing over there. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn it up.
Next car's a little stout. So
yeah, we're gonna turn it up.
I'll let you get to the driver's
All right,
man.
cool. Thank you, dude.
See you there.
Yes, sir.
starting to become like a fairy tale.
It is becoming a fairy tale.
Not only is the car here in 14 days, but you're going rounds and you just won your class.
I won the finals. Yeah, I'm stoked. We get the bell. Another shout out to Mike Bola at Enterprise Motorsports and Drew Wallace at AED Racing. Without those guys, I could have won this final, and without them, I would have never been back here in 14 days after hitting the wall.
That's pretty crazy.